Okay, hey YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a nerf BB gun. First, you need a nerf bullet, and then you take off the end of the bullet, or the top of the bullet that hits the target, and then, while that's done, you get a pen, you take out the ink thing, and you cut a bit off it, and you put it in here. You get the BB, a bedos or a BB, they do the same job. And then you put it in the back of it. Okay. And then you need a nerf knife finder. Well, it has to be a nerf knife finder, otherwise it won't work. And you put it in, and there. Except when you fire it, you have to put your finger up there, because then this part will fall out. Or you can just put some, I don't know, like tape or stuff all over it. Now I'm going to be doing a test. I'm going to set up some paper. Okay. I'm going to be shooting it now. If you can see that made a clear hole in there. You can see that there, and I've already done that. So this is the nerf BB gun. So yeah.